Hi all. Welcome to PHP Application Deployment on the Kubernetes demo. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the deployment of PHP applications on the Kubernetes cluster. The complete process is orchestrated through the Bamboo pipeline. The tools, which are used in this PHP application deployment are Bitbucket, for source code management, Bamboo, for continuous integration, JFrog, for Artifactory management and Docker image registry, Kubernetes, for container orchestration, Docker, for containerization. Let's explore the workflow of PHP application deployment, stage by stage. In the first stage, Bamboo's job will pull the PHP application source code from Bitbucket. A webhook is configured on Bitbucket, so that the ongoing deployment job will trigger automatically when a commit happens on a particular branch. In the next stage, the PHP application source code will be built in Bamboo. In case any failures in the build step, pipeline will be aborted. The deployment package will be archived on Bamboo for future use. Once the code meets the quality standard, the archived PHP application package will be pushed to the JFrog Artifactory repository. The Docker image will be built and pushed to the JFrog container registry. In the final stage, Bamboo will deploy the application using the Kubernetes and deployment YAML from Bitbucket, which will perform the below tasks. Create a deployment on the on-prem Kubernetes, which will create a replica set, which in turn create the pods using images from the JFrog container registry. The PHP deployment will be exposed as an external service, which in turn uses Metal-Pound to provision a layer 4 load balancer and expose the application on the predefined IP address. Now, let us see how the continuous integration and continuous deployment of the PHP application happen via the Bamboo pipeline. Let us trigger the Bamboo pipeline for PHP application deployment. In the first stage, the Bamboo pipeline job is preparing the servers and Bitbucket config. In the next stage, the Bamboo pipeline job is pulling the source code from Bitbucket, which contains the PHP application source code, Docker file, and Kubernetes. In the next stage, the Bamboo pipeline job will build the PHP source code in Bamboo, based on the target operating system. As the quality gate is passed, the Bamboo pipeline is pushing the build binary package to JFrog Artifactory, then the Docker image will be built using Docker file, and pushed to the JFrog container registry. In the final stage of deployment, the Bamboo pipeline job will deploy the container, and expose the application via Metal-Pound load balancer on the on-prem Kubernetes cluster using the Kubernetes plugin and deployment from Bitbucket. Now, the deployment has been completed. Let us check the load balancer IP address for the application. We can access this load balancer IP address in the browser, and this is the PHP application that was deployed on the on-prem Kubernetes cluster. Let us see the continuous integration and continuous deployment for content updating. As a developer, let me make a visible change in the source code via Bitbucket UI, and see how the changes are automatically deployed into the servers. Here, I am changing the heading in the application, which should be visible in the application after the automated deployment. Let's commit the changes. Let's see Bamboo. Here the pipeline job has been triggered automatically via a webhook, as the administrator user. The pipeline is getting completed. Now the changes should be updated. Let us refresh the web page. This updated web page. This is the complete workflow PHP application deployment on the Kubernetes. For more information, please browse www.zippyops.com. Please follow us on social media, links are available in the description. Like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happenings on DevOps. Thank you for watching this video.